Jatend kanisa mar Anglican Archbishop Jackson Ole Sapit koro kwayo jotelo duto manie sirikal kod mago manie kweth mapingo piny owacho mondo ketie paro manyime weche mabiro konyo jo Kenya kendo biro kelo kwe e pacho ka. Ole Sapit mane loso e kaunti ma Migori kama ne olimo kanise mopogore opogore e kaunti no owacho ni piny Kenya sani koro sudo mbele tok yiero mane okelo pogruok kendo ok ber ka jo Kenya pogore wi gigo ma jotelo nyalo konyo tieko.
We cannot afford to have another prolonged standoff as a country after a very tight and divisive election. All what we want to see is what is good for Kenya. And that which is good for Kenya is our cry as a church that Kenya can move forward and become a nation indivisible and indispensable. Every Kenyan will feel they are part of Kenya. So my call to those who are in leadership, the current government, is to embrace every part of Kenya as a critical component of this country in the whole area of development, in the whole area of paying attention to infrastructure development and other development. And we want to see an all-inclusive government where everybody participates and everybody takes a share in all aspects and in leadership. As matters regarding the IBC, and matters regarding the commissioners, our call has been always to bring mediation to the table, and we have tried our level best to bring the commissioners all together so that they are all accompanying each other as an entity. But when processes are taken to other levels, such as the discussions now in Parliament, or whether tribunals are being formed, all what we are asking is the truth to be established so that nobody